Hey guys, this is Nightwolf here. My new puppy. Today's video is going to be about a Nerf gun, which is mine right here. I still play Nerf. And if you're saying I don't play airsoft or anything, look at this, guys. Really, look at this. Freaking look at this. I freaking play airsoft. Okay? I play airsoft. That is M16, okay? Play airsoft. So, and I should have a pistol somewhere around here. And I play with BB guns. So, yeah. Game room. Ta-da. So, TV. Ta-da. So, yeah. So, this is going to be a silencer I'm making. Wall cut right there. With cap off, spray paint any color, smooth that out with sandpaper. Ta-da! Ta-da! So yeah, that's all you're gonna do. Put it on, probably tape that on. So, ta-da! Look at this dog. Look at this dog. Look at this dog. Look at this dog. Max, what are you doing? Hey, buddy. He's 9 weeks old, I think. So, hey, buddy. Okay? Okay, babies? Okay, fine. So, that's gonna be the video for today, guys. So, peace!